Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable judges and beloved audience, first of all, let us express our gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. May blessings and peace be upon our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. My name is Putri Alvina. I'm from Computerized Accounting of Parasatya Mandiri Polytechnic. Today, I will convey the impacts of deflation and recession on stock prices worldwide. Deflation is a condition where prices decrease in both goods and services, causing the value of currency to continue to increase. Meanwhile, recession refers to a significant decline in economic activity in a country over several periods. Based on the table of GDP growth rates and inflation in Asia, it shows that Central Asia has the highest GDP and inflation rates. Moreover, data sources Asia Development Bank showing GDP growth and inflations across various regions in Asia reveal significant variations that directly impact investors and the potential for global recession. Countries with high economic growth, such as South Asia and developing Asia, may be attractive to investors due to stable growth prospects, even though inflation in some of this region is quite high. Conversely, regions with high inflation, like Central Asia, can add to economic uncertainty, while areas with low inflation, such as East Asia, offer greater price stability despite moderate growth. In the context of global recessions, regions with controlled inflation and more stable growth are likely to be more resilient to global economic shocks, while areas with inflation instability and lower growth may become more vulnerable to the impact of recessions. Deflation and recession have negative impacts on the stock market. This can lead investors to cancel their investment plans or even withdraw their capital due to the risk of losses over time. They may prefer to invest in a safer assets such as gold, government bonds, or other low-risk alternatives. Other impacts include funds typically used for company capital rotation being redirected away from planned operations, asset values declining, and investment accounts value dropping due to ongoing sales declines, thus causing stock prices to continue to fall. This results in a more volatile stock market with low stability levels, leading to decreased trading activity as investors shy away from risk and sell their stocks rapidly. Deflation and recession have a significant impacts on various groups, both companies and society. They will experience a decline in purchasing power for both needs and desire. This will lead to reduced income, necessitating careful contemplation in decision making, which consequently result in a further decline in economic activity. Additionally, both groups may see an increase in borrowing habits. For lower income groups, startup companies often have to reduce employee working hours or even terminate employment. Employees may have to the risk of being laid off. Both companies and individuals will have many considerations regarding expenditures, making it harder to fulfill basic needs. Accessing credit from banks will become difficult as banks exercise more caution in accepting borrowers. The middle class will experience a decline in asset value, whether in property or stocks, and they will cut or eliminate non-essential expenditures. For upper income individuals, the total value of their investment assets will decrease either slightly or significantly over time. They will continuously seek ways to survive and increase their assets while looking for alternative solutions. In their investment, they may lose investors because the high net worth individuals might consider the investment amid ongoing assets depreciations. For investors, the value of their investment will decline. The decline in economic activity and poverty are common and inevitably issues if not properly addressed. Government policies need to be appropriately adjusted and supported by proactive community involvement to maintain the stability of the country's economy. The impacts of these issues are very risky and complex, influenced by the duration and level of risk involved. Both investors and companies feel the effects, and addressing these challenges will require considerable time and deep contemplations. Those are some points I would like to share regarding the impacts of deflations and recessions on the stock market. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.